My name's Evan McDonell, and I'm an industrial designer at Epoch Lacrosse. The process to the final product always starts out with simply just a line. The pen and paper, that's always where the project starts. Looking around at architecture, cars, nature, anywhere you can get cool patterns and bold influences that bring in elements of whatever words that you want the head to represent. And then from there, you fine-tune things to a final product that performs. We're a performance and technology company. The Z-ONE encapsulates and nails in all the performance attributes that we wanted for this style of play. Some design elements for the Z-ONE that were big influences were obviously the players, what style and pocket location they really wanted. That style of play would be a one-handed ball controller, someone who is looking to dictate the offense, control the game with the ball in their hands. The Z-ONE is a zone 1 low pocket. The sweet spot is the deepest legal dimension that you can get of around 2 inches. And because it is a low pocket, we wanted to make sure you could still get a quick release. So what we did is we increased the lie to 0.88 or 8.8 that we use to make sure you have a quick release. Since the ball is sitting lower, it's naturally want to take longer to get out. We increase the lie to give you that extra quickness, that extra half a second to beat the goalie or get that pass off to someone on the crease. This was a very heavily researched project in terms of talking to players firsthand through surveys, through emails, to get their direct feedback of what they wanted for a series of heads. With the Z-ONE, they wanted a very specific control and very tight face shape that's going to give them maximum control and have a quick release when they're dictating the offense. So at the IL Committed Academy, we were able to talk to some of the best D1 prospects out there and understand what qualities they wanted when they're trying to elevate their game and really take their play to the next level. And then we also talked to guys who are at that level playing pro lacrosse. So it was great to be able to talk to Dylan Malloy and Matt Rambo. They're both low pocket, offensive, dictating the style of play guys, and we were able to talk to them and figure out what certain types of features they really wanted. And even though they are both low pocket types of players, their styles of play are totally different. And we were able to pick and choose qualities from research and watching them use 3D prints and having them look at sketches and help determine how we can design one head that fits both of their styles of play. With the Z-ONE, we worked really closely with Chris Burke to find a pattern that would suit the Z-ONE head specifically, a pocket that would have a quick, snappy release and be accurate every single time. And so with him, we were able to develop the knot lock technology, create a pocket pattern that you could pick this off the shelf with a factory setup, Dragonfly 9, and be able to hit the corners that you want, find the passes that you want, and be able to have an elite level of play. For me, design it should be simple in its approach. The challenge here is to be able to take a risk and put something out in the market that you're willing to put your company, your faith, or your methodology behind to say that this is all our work, all our effort is the best product, this is it. And this is what stands out to us as a company, and me as an individual, as a designer. The Z-ONE really stands out to any other head that's been released, including our own previous heads, and is going to elevate style of play, elevate the game, and even elevate the aesthetics and how you look at a head sitting on a shelf. It's totally different, totally new, totally fresh. We thought about every inch, every millimeter on this head, from the tip of the scoop all the way to the length of the throat. And we wanted to make sure that every dimension was thought of for style of play, for look, for confidence. So when you're playing with it, when you see it on the shelf, when you see it on Instagram in a video, whenever you look at the Z-ONE, you know that it's going to be the best head for performance and for you.